Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram profile from phone contacts. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, we need to go to our Instagram setting. I'm going to open up my profile, and then I'm going to select these three lines on the top right. Then we can go to the account center. Okay, then you have to scroll down and select the information and permissions right here, and go to the upload contacts, and you can choose the account you want to hide from your contact. Here, since I have logged into multiple accounts, so I need to select one of them. And for example, I'm going to hide this Instagram profile from my contact, and we can disable the connect contact option, and I'm going to click on disconnect. And the second method you can try is prevent the Instagram from accessing your contact in your phone. You can go to the permissions on Instagram. You can go to the device permissions, then you can click on contact, and then we can go to the device settings. Okay, and I'm going to select permission, and I'm going to select contact. Then I'm not gonna allow Instagram to access my contact. Okay, like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to hide Instagram profile from phone contact. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.